Hello guys, welcome to another time out with me on the channel. My name is Alec Godwin if you're here for the first time, and today we are looking at my old zoom lens, like not so old, but I got it in 2021. This is an old video that I have never shared with you guys. It's from 2021, and I'm trying to clear out my hard drives and share out the videos and get rid of the videos stored in them so I can create some more space. So I thought about, okay, maybe I should share this with you guys. Hopefully one or two persons, hopefully you can learn one or two things from this video. And it's basically how to shim the DZOFilm Pictor zoom lenses. Okay, this is basically for someone who's trying to make a decision what lens to use or to buy. Hopefully this helps. Now let's get into it. So this is one of my favorite cinema lenses. In fact, one of the rare zoom lenses that you could count on. Yeah, it is a zoom lens. It's a zoom cinema lens that is Parfocal. My best qualities of this lens are the image quality and the Parfocal ability. It is a Super 35 lens, which is basically a crop sensor for Canon EF or the PL mount. It comes with Canon EF or PL mount. It's got an f-stop or a speed of 2.8 with its lovely zoom range from 20 to 55 millimeters, T2.8. Of course, you could get it as a set, which is the 20 to 55 and the 50 to 125. It's still one of the cheapest good quality cinema lenses out there. So like I said, what I love most about this lens is the Parfocal ability, and that is it has the ability to hold focus. First of all, when you set the farthest focal length, when you zoom in to the tightest focal length and rack focus till you are completely in focus, now you back up to the widest focal length all the way, you will find out that the focus remains. That's the quality of this lens. You can set it up according to your camera, and that's what we're going to talk about in this video, how to set it so that it works for your camera. My camera of choice, or rather the camera that I had at the time I was shooting this video, was the Pocket 6K, the regular Pocket 6K. Okay, so I'm going to walk through the process briefly, and if your camera is different, you just a little bit change here and there. It's the ability to hold focus all through the range, which is 20 to 55 or 50 to 125, depending on which of the lenses you have. So in summary, let me take you through how to adjust the back focus of the Pictor zoom. To carry out this test, you will need to prepare a star chart, and I think one is provided with you. I think one is provided in the box. I can't remember, but I chose to use my laptop. I got it on the screen of my laptop, and I was able to use that as my chart. Number 2 is attach your zoom lens to the camera. Of course, that's obvious. And number 3, rotate your iris. Rotate your iris to wide open. In other words, get the lens to the brightest aperture at 2.8. Next, you set up the star chart and place it at a distance of 4.9 feet or 1.5 meters, whichever you prefer, from the flange distance of your camera to the wall where you place the black and white screen, or the black and white star chart. Try to centralize the image, or like in my case, it was almost the full screen. Try to keep it at the middle when you make this experiment. So next, zoom into the longest focal length, which in my case was 55. Focus on the target, which is the screen, until the target is sharpest. Since I set my first color, my focus assist is on, as you can see, so this way I can judge and know when the lens is, completely in focus. So you're not judging with your eyes alone. You have the focus assist to help. Wherever your focus is sharpest, write down that reading on your lens, because the lens is scaled. As you see on the screen, the lens comes well scaled out. Okay, all the measurements are calibrated there, and you can see the reading at every point in time. So when the lens is sharpest, mark on the side. Like in this demonstration now, it shows 1.7. Zoom out to the widest and focus on the same target until the target is sharpest. Okay, so when you zoom in and when you zoom out, focus, and use with the aid of the focus assist, once again, you can see that that point where it's the sharpest. So now take record of the next point. On this example on the screen, you see it's 1.4. If S2 is less than S1, then add some more chimps. In other words, the chimps needs to be increased. Add some more chimps by removing the screws, as you see me doing in the example. And then if S2 is greater than S1, take out some of the shims. And the idea is to get S1 to be equal to S2. So when that happens, your lens is set to be parfocal. You can go ahead and couple it and enjoy. All right. I hope this helped. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.